Hello, this is Dr. Simon Arunga, an eye specialist, and today I want to tell you about the different options that we use when we are treating cataract. So cataract is the clouding of the natural lens of the eye, and we treat it by removing it and replacing it with a new lens, what we call an implant. When we do that, we have different types of implants that we use. Now, we have an implant which are in a category of what we call hard implants or hard lenses. And then we have another category called soft lenses. Now, the hard lenses are three types. We have what we call hard lens clear. We have what we call hard lens blue block. We have another one we call gold. Now, all these lenses will give you clear vision after we have removed the cataract. The clear option, which is the first one, gives you clear vision. However, it does not give you protection from sunlight and also driving. Meaning you will have good vision, you can see things very well, but you may find it uncomfortable when it's very bright outside or when you're driving at night. The second option in the hard lenses category is called blue block. Now that one will give you clear vision, and also it will give you protection from sunlight. So when it is bright in the sun outside, you will not feel too uncomfortable. But even that one, you may find it uncomfortable to drive at night because it doesn't have protection for driving. The third option is what we call yellow gold. That one is tinted and will give you protection, give you comfort, you can see well, you can be comfortable in the sun, and also when you're driving at night. So those options, we have clear, we have blue, and we have yellow. All of them are what I call hard lenses, meaning they are not flexible. We cannot fold them. What that means is that when we are removing the cataract, we'll need to make a small cut on the eye so that once we remove the cataract, we can have a passage which we use to bring the new lens into the eye. So we make a small cut on the eye, what sometimes you hear manual method. Now, moving on to another category, these are called soft lenses. Soft because you can fold them and insert them into a tube like a straw. So when we use that method, we don't need to do any cuts. We use a computer which has a probe which is like a straw. That straw comes on the eye, and then we suck out the cataract through the straw, and using the same straw we fold the soft lens and put it in the eye. Once it reaches the eye, it will unfold nicely and stay there. So those we have four categories. The first one is soft clear. Soft clear gives you good vision, but does not protect you from the sun or give you comfort when you're driving. You will see well, but you will struggle in the sun when it's too bright and also when you're driving at night. The second option is soft yellow. This one will give you clear vision and also comfort in the sun and comfort when you're driving even at night. The third one is yellow soft, which is almost the same like the second. The only difference is that one of them is made in India, another one is made in the USA. So as you can imagine, there will be a slight difference in quality, but also in the pricing. So both yellow lenses, they will give you comfort to see well, to be comfortable out in the sun, and also while driving. Now, all these categories that I've already mentioned, the ones which are hard lenses and the soft lenses, all the types I've mentioned, they will give you good vision at a specific distance. Meaning, with these implants, you can either see far very well, and if you need to read, you will need to wear glasses, or you can see near very well without glasses, but if you need to see far, you will wear glasses. So they don't do both. Now we have a new technology which we call extended depth of focus, or in short form it's called EDOF, extended depth of focus. What that lens does is that it will give you good vision at a distance, and even for near, it will give you good vision. So meaning that once you have it in as the implant, you will be less dependent on glasses. You can see well, far, and you can also do near work fairly easily without glasses. But having said that, the natural lens that God gave you is the best. So all these implants cannot compare to your natural lens. So even regardless of the type, in some people, you might need just a tiny bit of glasses to make the vision sharper. For example, move you from 98% to 100%. So those are the categories of the lenses we have. And if you have any questions, please feel free to talk to any of our staff in this room or wherever you meet them. They'll be able to provide answers to whatever questions you may have. Thank you.